Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode of The Silent Entrepreneurs, a podcast meant for dreamers who have achieved great things, building on the business of their own and crossing all these hurdles to come to the stage where everyone knows their name. We are from the team of Kamik, and I'm Kaushik, the host for today. So, legend has it that roaming around the streets of Church Street is a monkey which is dishing out fabulous dishes and kind of going around prancing to its own tune. And we are fortunate to be having the monkey come on to the show for today's. Wait, what? We don't have the monkey? Okay, it seems we have the second best thing, right? Presenting to you Ankur from the Oho Monkey coming in today.
कभी काली रतियां कभी दिन सुहाने किस्मत की बातें तो किस्मत ही जाने.
Hello, Ankur. Right.
Hi.
Very glad to have you on the show.
So am I, thank you.
So it was very fortunate that we actually met you on the Church Street. And of course, I had heard all about you. We have been over the news for some time now.
Thank you. Yeah.
And it's something that's very unique. Right? Would you like to tell the audience what exactly it is that you do?
So I make sandwiches on Church Street right now. It's called Oho, and the sandwich is called 101. So it's one type of vegetarian sandwich. It's our recipe of it, and this is how we sell sandwiches on the street. Yeah.
Okay. So it's just one sandwich, is it?
Yes. One
Okay.
type of sandwich.
Right. And what's up with the mask there? I mean,
Yeah.
is there a Beauty and the Beast going on behind the scenes?
No, the mask. I don't know. It's a thing. Like,
It just happened.
Yeah,
Is it?
it happened,
It's like the
like-
inspiration just happened.
so we anyway have to wear a mask.
Ah,
Yeah.
I like the idea, man.
Yeah.
What if actually people started doing this
Doing
during
it,
COVID
imagine.
times?
And if you're working in the food sector, we have to wear the cap,
Mhm.
air cap.
Mm-hmm.
So it does all the work.
Right. Okay. And of course, it works as a branding perspective also. I mean, people would just recognize you and start shouting out "Oho," maybe.
Yeah, that actually happens.
That happens?
actually happens. And the mask, yeah, you feel pretty unmasked.
Hmm.
You can work totally fine on the streets. Cool, yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool. But how did this actually start? So, from what I gather, you are a BBA graduate, if I'm not wrong?
I am, yeah.
Right. So usually people go for MBAs or just start working in
Yeah.
multinational companies.
Yeah.
So why this sudden twist in the
I did have job offers.
Uh-huh.
I did go for few of them. But then I was just thinking of me and my brother, we were just talking that there is no brand of street foods.
Hmm.
Right? There are amazing street food and there are individual people who do it, and then there are good food brands. So we can, and I generally like sandwiches. It's a very like a cooked bread or something, but it's all of one type. All the sandwiches are like one type. This thing. So we thought something, let's make a fusion or something, and then the whole card thing came,
Okay.
and the monkey thing. So this is how, and we just launched it in 12 days. We thought it, and all in 12 days we just launched it.
So the whole assembling of the card,
Everything.
even the mask. Did you build that mask? By any
No,
chance?
no.
Right, thank God.
We
that would mean
customized
you're
it,
very
yeah.
talented, man.
Yeah. But yeah, we did it all in 12 days, and we launched it.
Okay, that's amazing actually. The launching part itself, I mean, from the day that you start the ideation process to launch, there's a huge gap that usually occurs for most of the
yeah.
people. But 12 days is incredible.
Yes.
Right. And what is it that actually kind of started this journey? I mean, you of course said that you felt that there is no brand out there that caters to this sandwiches and things like that. But what actually triggered this conversation, right, if I might ask?
So our family is into food sector. Our family has catering businesses.
Mm-hmm.
We had a restaurant that got shut down before COVID,
Okay.
and there were a lot of things happening. And I've always been into business, and not just about the sandwich. Me and my brother, we just talk about a lot of stuff. Generally what's happening, what something new, what we can do, like crazy stuff.
Right.
That could possibly happen in the future or something. So we were just having this conversation this afternoon, and he was like, let's do it. Let's just do it this time. Just go get it done.
Right.
And I was excited about the mask and everything, so I just did it. We just launched it 12 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So basically, your brother also works with you then?
Yes,
Is that correct? Okay.
mentor.
And we would actually find you on Church Street, right?
Always.
Always. Okay.
And many more locations, hopefully, in the
Right.
next
Of
month.
course. Of course.
Yes.
Right. So what time do you usually go there, and how has it been?
It's going great. It's from 2 to 9:30 in the night,
2 to
2 in the afternoon to 9:30. It's going really good.
Okay.
And yeah, we are branching out now. We are branching out to other places and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the one sandwich remains, but you are then branching out to multiple
Yes, the
places.
recipe remains same. So 101 is permanent, and we are gonna upgrade it, but we are always gonna stick to one menu. Yeah.
So who's maybe is it a family recipe kind of thing? What is going on here?
We just cracked it. We tried multiple variants,
Okay.
and then we went to orphanages basically around our place, and we fed the kids. They love the whole monkey thing, and I get my hand on making it and everything. Tried all the recipes, and then we finally stick down to it. It's very. I think the recipe is the main part. I really like it. Everyone who eats it, the reviews are totally good.
Right. And is there a reason that you're sticking to only one sandwich? Why not maybe go and try this recipe out with multiple sandwiches and provide that?
So it's the illusion of choices that does it. I don't know why there are so many choices in this thing.
Right.
They're very similar, but again, you just if you look at other places, it's basically the same things that are used
Right.
with different names and different this thing. So and plus the compact design of it, it was a good idea to stick to one sandwiches and not give customers choices that ruins the. So this thing, yeah, it was a thing of just to destroy the illusion of choices, and yeah,
Right.
as a business, and also it's a good thing. If it's one sandwich, it's just pretty functional. Yeah.
So what you're actually producing is that amazing that you have the confidence it will be loved by each and every one of them.
I think because that's how it's been till now. Everybody really likes it. It's very different from what sandwiches you get on the street or off the streets even. I don't think it's very different.
I mean, I think you guys must hate Subway. There are like whole loads of choices, but loads of choices. And I remember the first time I went there,
Yeah.
didn't know shit, didn't know what was going on. They said just pick something, and
Feels
just
like
black
exam,
with it,
doesn't it?
right? So, I mean, people must love
Yeah.
your opinion there, right?
Yeah.
You provide something that is unique and that is going to be loved by everyone without them having to pick and choose and
Yes.
think too much on this.
Yeah.
Right?
So the monk speaks only two words. It's O and Ho. So O is yes and Ho is no. So just one or two, just say it. It's very simple. Just get it done. Yeah.
Right. So even the Oho monkey is derived from there. Isn't it?
Yes.
Right. So when did this actually start?
7th January was our first day,
Okay.
and that yeah.
Right.
12 days before we thought of this, did everything in that, and we launched it on Church Street, and then it's going good since then. It's been almost a month, more than a month now.
Right.
It's going great.
Right. And you see the crowds just driving in.
Yeah. On weekends, we have a lot of crowd.
Right.
Kids love it.
Mhm.
People love it.
Mhm.
The music is good, so all the music lovers just drop by.
Right.
So yeah.
We see the boombox you have got there.
Yeah, I don't go anywhere without it.
Right. So you do DJ stuff also?
No, this music makes everything easier.
Maybe the next thing for you would be just to have
Like marshmallow.
Yes. Exactly, right?
Yeah.
Might even work out.
Possibly.
We don't have an Indian marshmallow.
Actually,
right now.
a band asked us to join me. Yeah.
Okay. And what's the decision there?
No,
Are we
no.
going to be seeing a music album soon?
No, not at all.
Okay, unfortunate. I myself personally would have loved to see that. I mean,
Possibly, but I love businesses, so that's why I'm doing music. I like to hear music, but
right. maybe though you should eat more. I mean, for a person who's making sandwiches, you look extremely.
No. I'm just it's the money we get food sometimes. We don't get food sometimes.
Ah.
Branching, jumping on the trees.
Right.
A lot of working hard.
The
Better
bachelor
be
life.
skilled.
Right. So, coming back to how things had gotten started, what actually made you think maybe I should do this during COVID times, right? Were you not kind of scared about how COVID might impact? Because right now there are many restaurants out there that have actually closed down.
Yes.
Right. Unfortunately, the situation out there is a bit precocious, and you can't actually get a good business going. But then you just jumped into this, right? Within
Yeah.
12 days, and you don't feel that there's something that COVID might stop.
Actually, when we launched, we were not. We were just recovering from it. We were not sure about the vaccine also by then.
Right.
I know there were a lot of restaurants closing. I told you our restaurant got closed
Right.
before COVID, and I don't know. It wasn't that big of a risk something, but again, it was very hygienic. The simple compact was very hygienic.
Right.
Everything you know properly hygiene, sanitized and everything. So we thought why not just try it? I mean, how can we wait and how can we be sure that the situation is going to improve?
Right.
And then we jumped into it, man. Yeah.
So one of the key points that anyone ever talks about entrepreneur, right, is that they like taking the risk and they just jump into things, and I think that kind of beautifully comes together for you guys,
Yes.
right? And it's absolutely amazing seeing that you guys are actually planning to branch out, and that too within a month span. That itself is amazing for us, right? Congratulations on that,
Thank you
first
so
of all.
much.
Right. So this card that you mentioned, now it seems like you guys designed this.
Yeah, I designed this myself. I got it fabricated, but
Right.
we designed it ourselves. Yeah.
Right. So does this have some special functionalities, something that we should
No,
know?
it's actually very simple. It's designed for the menu. It's very simple, just for that thing.
Okay.
It's very compact.
Right.
Just what is needed. Nothing too advanced or something,
Right.
but just what is needed. And even the other cards, they'll be rather advanced, but this is just very functional.
Okay. So this was your trial run, right?
Yeah.
Just exploring
Pilot.
that, Right.
Yeah.
So in the future, what you plan to see is multiple cards having different functionalities, meaning you would have different menus.
No,
No?
not
You-
right now.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna upgrade it, but
Right.
I think for a while, I think we will stick to the one menu this thing.
Okay.
But more as in a service point of view, more functional.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And how was your first day? What do you think? Like,
It was actually great.
uh-huh.
So I got a sheet, I got a paper printed saying, "Do you remember the first day of your school?"
Mm-hmm.
Well, today is mine.
Oh.
I just went and held it to people and started playing the song that I entered onto.
Mhm.
And then people gathered, they asked me,
Right.
and obviously the mask and everything. And then I sold out and went home later in the night.
I mean, that must not have been what you expected, or did you actually plan to sell?
No, I was pretty sure this is gonna happen.
Ah,
Yeah.
right.
This is gonna
Okay.
happen.
So you had all this mapped out in your mind,
Yes,
right? The
yes.
business mind there. Right, great. So, of course, the mask brings in intrigue, but this is a brand that you're building,
Yes.
right? Boho Monkey.
Yes.
And what do you plan to see in the future, right? With this brand, do you plan to just go with food, or maybe kind of cater to some other things also? What do you see happening in the future with Boho Monkey?
So right now we are focused on branching out the sandwich menu. We want people to try it, acquire the taste, go out all across Bangalore, then branch out to cities.
Right.
There are certain places where restaurants can't go,
Right.
right? And we want to just take that way. Maybe concerts, house parties and stuff like that, and all everywhere. We want to increase the presence, so people try this recipe and sort of acquire this taste. Like I don't know how momo came in, but it's everywhere, right?
course.
People acquired the taste. That's not very Indian taste as well. So we want right now we are just focusing on to reach out to more people so that they can taste it, try it, and acquire this taste. Yeah.
And this, of course, is completely healthy, I'm guessing.
And it's all very healthy. It's just veggies, like nothing
Right.
fried, nothing this thing.
Right. Okay. Okay. Competition to Subway then. Right. Hopefully it does grow that big.
Okay.
Right. We would love to see that coming in.
Right.
Especially me after my embarrassing moments in Subway trying to decide
Yeah.
what to choose.
We have it all sorted for you, sir.
Right. And with a discount for us, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Maybe.
Okay. You said hopefully, not 100%.
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
That's a bit disheartening to see, but no matter. Right. We love supporting people who do different unique things, right? And especially seeing such a youngster. Might I ask what your age is?
21.
21. Right.
No, I don't think why it's a big deal. It's very usual.
Of course. I mean, you have kids designing apps nowadays.
Yeah.
Right, White Hat Junior.
Yeah.
But again, it's something that's amazing to see how the younger generation is actually kind of coming up and going about doing things differently, right? We had a kind of a script that used to be followed.
Mhm.
Finish your education, go into an MNC, work there, and then
Yeah.
after that get married, settled, and
Yeah.
there was a whole script there. And now this generation that is evolving, the Atmanirbhar Bharat maybe is
Yeah.
what's causing this. But it's wonderful to see initiatives being taken up by the youngsters in this
I
coming.
think it should be like that.
Right.
And also, I don't think going and working as a job is not a bad thing. Also,
Right, of course.
it's necessary. Everything is necessary, but I won't diss that.
Right.
But yeah, it's just do what you feel like is the main thing. Yeah, but we should not always go by the book. That's also true. Yeah.
It's always the first step that's the hardest, isn't
It
it?
is. It is.
I'm sure you must have had a lot of thoughts before you got into this.
Yeah.
Right.
So I asked few people, our employees, that you have to go on the streets and do this, and they're like, I don't know, sir. How do we do it? How will we manage? So I like, okay, you just take the back seat. Let me show you how to do it. And that's when I decided I'll do it myself. And before I can teach people what to do, or my employees, the team, I think I should take enough. I should learn it. That was a fair thing. So that's why I just came in and said I'll make myself, and I just talk to people. I just see what goes into it. Because we just tell people what to do, but we have not done it ourselves. So that's why I just did this thing, and yeah, it's been a month. I'm doing it. I'm actually having fun.
I can see.
Yeah.
Right? And it must be amazing kind of getting recognized by everyone and seeing the reactions of people. Right?
Yeah. A lot of people walk into each other looking at the monkey, walking on the street, walk into the poles.
Okay, so that can be a dangerous situation.
But also, people also walk into each other by using mobile phones, so that's not bad. If you walk into looking at us, that's fine.
Right, it might be that at some point they would open the Pokemon Go app and try to catch
Yeah.
Right, Primeape or something.
Yeah.
I think Primeape was the one that was monkey based, right?
Pokemon Go. No, I don't know. I don't play games.
Okay, surprising.
Yeah.
Right, completely into business.
Totally.
Okay, that's amazing. Right, of course, one of the things that you mentioned was that you wanted to try things out for yourself and get the first hand experience. That matters a lot, don't you think, right?
Yes.
Because it must have taught you some amazing things that you actually didn't know,
Yes.
right?
I actually have been really lucky, even since in my earlier stage of life, to have the basic lessons of life. We come from Rajasthan and everything, so we have learned it all, like all the basic lessons. So we can just survive it, anywhere.
Right.
So that's helped me a lot to do this. Like, I don't know if anybody would have done it. Like, from my college or my friends would rather say it's a crazy idea to do it yourself. I don't know how to manage it. Even like, at my home, probably would they think, would you be able to do it? Are you sure? But then I was like, okay, maybe I'll learn it while I'm doing it.
Right.
Yeah. So
Experience is the best teacher, wouldn't you say?
It is. It's totally different out on the streets. It's totally different in the books. It's very different.
So do you think BBA actually taught you of how to do things, or at least helped you get some base?
I was very intrigued by the process of business and money and everything.
Mhm.
So I didn't feel like an exam or something. I just go by it and read. I was anyway reading all this stuff. So I actually liked what I was studying. and it was pretty good. It was pretty chill. I didn't have to put a lot of pressure on things because I was anyway just studying. This is what I was doing all the time. So
Right.
it was very good. So the whole thing, yeah, it was helpful. Obviously,
Right.
studying is really helpful.
So, because I just wanted this to be clear to the people
Yeah, yeah.
watching this, because many people think that studies is not important.
Yeah.
That's definitely not
Yeah,
so right to
that's
say, right?
a lot of people are obsessed with the fact that you don't have to go to school or something. But no, that it's very important.
Right. It builds the base on which you can actually perform.
100%, no doubt about it. It's really important.
Right. And how was your family's reaction when you actually proposed this to them? Your parents, maybe?
Oh, they found it funny that I don't know when people will buy anything from a monkey or something. You look really funny. Like no, I'll just do it. But everyone is really supportive about it. As I said, in 12 days we launched it. So pretty much didn't give anyone time to oppose it.
Just rest through this, is
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
I mean, but it's always important to have that foundation. The
Yes.
base, if that is solid, you can
very
always
important.
go ahead and do whatever it is, right? No matter how tough things get, because you know there's someone behind your back, right?
Yeah, totally. It's very supportive. Even my brother, I told you.
Right. So does he even wear the mask and then just
No,
dance around?
no.
No?
He's like support, back end support, but
Yeah.
the only person probably who gets me, and
Right.
yeah, and the only things we talk about is all this business stuff and this thing.
Okay.
So yeah, he's got the back, and yeah,
Right. Okay. Cool. So
very supportive.
right. So you guys actually distribute tasks amongst yourselves, or how does this work?
Yeah, like we just manage it. It's not scaled that big right now.
Right.
Where we have to just this thing, but yeah, we can manage it. We have I have a couple of friends
Mm-hmm.
to come in. It's very even if you come around Church Street,
Mhm.
it's pretty packed. For people of like my friends are coming. A lot of people. There are a lot of customers who have become friends now. They're just there all the time.
Right.
just listening to music, chilling there. Someone brings a guitar. It's a pretty cool scene.
I think I have seen someone. I don't remember. There's this old guy. I think on Instagram I saw that.
He's
right?
Abby.
Abby, yes, Abby. Right.
Abby is our first customer ever on the first day.
Okay. So
Yeah.
from the get-go, is it like?
Yes.
you're strong
He's there
supporter?
since the first day. He never leaves us. He just plays the guitar there, chills, and yeah.
Right. And of course, it must be amazing to have such support.
It's
Right.
amazing.
Because sometimes, of course, things doesn't exactly pan out how you want it.
Yes.
But when you know that you're reaching out to people and they're loving what you do, it must kind of encourage you, inspire you to even do it further, right?
Yes,
Reach
yes.
out to more and more people.
So after like there are people who come from really far places and then tell us that we read about you and we have just come to eat your sandwich. We just want to try this. Later in the night where we're closing or something, they reach it that thank God we made it. You are not closed yet. We came from really far place and we read about you. We wish you all the best, and there are a lot of messages coming on Instagram. It's a good feeling. It feels that we have to make it even bigger.
And hopefully this reaches a level that, for example, your Veena stores is, right? I've seen the queues in the Malleshwaram Road, right? People just stand outside the store 6 o'clock in the morning just to have that one idli and the chutney
Yes,
there.
yes.
Right? So hopefully this also reaches that level, and might be that you might need to extend your timings afterwards.
Hopefully.
Right.
We wish we'll get that. I think we'll get that. Yes.
Right. But what actually made you decide on Church Street as your preferred place?
Church Street, it's a pretty happening place. The crowd is. I thought the crowd will get us.
Right.
Instead of going anywhere else in the first day. So I thought I'll probably go to Church Street. I always liked Church Street. The crowd is very hip. A lot of youngsters. I thought they'll get it, and the streets are painted. There's graffiti and everything. It's a cool space.
Right.
So I just put it. I thought we'll do the first one on Church Street. I was pretty sure from the beginning. And then we didn't give any choices to like we don't give choices to customers. We didn't give any choices to ourselves. We just launched it in 12 days. Like, let's not confuse ourselves.
Right. So Church Street, of course, it's a very happening place, but it can be kind of a different feel to it based on how the government reacts, possibly. For example, BBMP. Now, is that an issue that has come up for
No,
you
we
guys?
obtained all the licenses.
You have obtained all the
Yes.
licenses to be on the street and sell this food, right?
Yes.
And how does that work? Like, do you actually have a time limit to this, or?
No, there's no such thing as time limit.
Okay,
We just obtained all the licenses and permissions, whatever we needed.
right.
Spoke and this.
Okay, so that's good to see, because a lot of street vendors out there are currently facing the same heat
Yeah.
because of BBMP.
We even made sure like other street vendors
Right.
are comfortable and everything. Like everyone, all the other street vendors are even supportive. They like
Okay.
this stuff. All the restaurants all around are really supportive. In fact, this all the people from the restaurant who work there come and have a sandwich and go.
Ah, okay. So it's a quick grab for them,
Yes,
of course,
yes, yes.
right? You can have it on the go also. You do provide that, right?
Yes,
You have the packaging and everything.
everything. So yes.
And what would you say is your biggest takeaway from all of this, right? This whole journey that you have gone through.
I would say that this is just I've just started. It's it's very small, the smallest
Right.
part, like
Right.
just the beginning, and I'm getting an opportunity to tell what's my takeaway from this small little beginning of journey. I would say, do not spend time thinking about it. Rather, just go for it and always keep it simple as you can, as simple as necessary. That's it. That's my takeaway, and yeah.
Because experience will teach you more.
More, yes, exactly.
So you will basically get on the feedback and work on things.
Yes.
Of course. So we have a terminology called lean startup. That's basically what this signifies, wherein you kind of do things no matter how badly prepared you are. You just go forward and work out things as it goes, right? And it's great to see you actually practically following that.
Yes,
Right.
it's very good.
Right. So, along this journey, right,
Yeah.
have there been some issues that you have come across?
Issues as in we have faced issues of footfall, maybe sometime.
Okay.
But otherwise, it's not been long enough to face many issues. Rather, it's all everything is very doing good. Issues, yeah. I do it myself. There is no change in the menu. The menu is standard. I make the menu. It's very standardized that way. No changes in this thing. Sometimes maybe the weather is an issue sometimes because it's on the street. It rained
Right.
or something like that. There's no been major issue right now. Nothing. I think we're good.
Okay, so that might be the upgradation that you wanted, maybe.
No, it's coming up. It's getting installed very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah, of course, it's very new, and it's actually good to see that you don't have too much trouble going on. That does mean that people are loving
Yes.
what you're doing,
Yes.
right? And things are going good for you.
Yes. But it's very different working on street. It's
Yeah.
not like we can't work from home. Even no matter how tired we are, we have to just go for it.
Right.
So that's the challenges. But we are really ready for it, and it's a lot of fun. It's like it's a party there on the street.
Of course.
Yeah.
And you get to meet a lot of people.
Lot of people, lot of interesting people. Yeah, the street is filled with lot of interesting people. Those who other people would probably call freaks, but
Of course, Bangalore's nightlife is
Yeah.
vibrant. It's
it's
very vibrant.
Yeah.
And again, you might want to maybe look at the timings later on. 9:30.
Yeah.
Don't you think that's too early for Church Street timings?
It is, but usually we are sold out by 9:30. We have
Okay.
tried 10:30 this thing, but then we are actually will extend the timings as well.
Okay.
But you usually get sold out before 10 all the time. Even if we like.
Uh-huh. Right. So it's basically there's so much demand that you guys can't keep up.
It's
Right.
going good. So like even if we like charge the inventory up, we
Right.
somehow are sold out before 10. So we have to just yeah. But we'll do increase the timings. Yeah,
And what are the pricing that you have put up for this?
it's 40 rupees.
40 rupees.
Yeah, it's very
Flat, no offers.
no offer. Yes.
You provide offers
Yeah,
too,
yeah.
is it?
Yeah, with the offer. So if you itch the monkey's back, you'll probably get a 10% discount.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. And maybe grab the tail. Is there a tail
No,
involved there?
not
Okay.
yet. Hopefully I had one, but I know.
Right.
I
Maybe
got
a
it.
full-on costume.
No, there's no costume. It's a very urban monkey.
Oh, okay.
There's hoodies, formals,
Oh,
t-shirts.
there's a hoodie involved too. We would love to see that actually.
Yeah, there's a hoodie. It says "Don't human me."
Oh. That's nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So you're building your brand around the whole concept of
Yes,
this.
yes, yes.
And maybe what you can start doing next would be merchandising these.
Hopefully, yeah. I'm very intrigued by the idea of fashion. I love that.
Right.
I would actually want to do that. You asked what would be the next step. Probably not music, but probably merchandise.
Right, of
Yeah.
course. Maybe things like keychains, hoodies,
Yeah.
shirts.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Nice. Of course, you start out from somewhere and then it keeps expanding and
Yes,
going
yes,
somewhere.
Yeah.
So it's all part of the journey.
It's all part of the journey, yes, sir.
And how is the ROI on this? So, if you don't mind me asking, the profit margins and all.
Margins, we are actually, it's just one thing, we are not very, this thing, but we are doing very good,
Okay.
and it's good for the customer and it's good for the business.
So, do you actually work on scale or basically quantity more? You're based more on the quantity, or is it the price difference that you're seeing?
No, probably when we scale, when economics of scale comes into picture,
Right.
hopefully, and as it should be, as a business, the margins will increase, but right now, in this one card, all we are focused is on just reaching out to more people, whether try it. It's good, it's properly balanced, is what I say.
Right.
Both customers and business, it's really balanced. Yeah.
All this will come in a bit later.
Yes. This is the pilot, we are just testing the concept.
Right.
That hopefully will be better.
Right. And when will this scaling start?
There's one card coming next month.
Okay.
Sorry, next week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right. Where will this be placed?
This will be in a sports arena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where exactly? Location, or it's something that you can't
It's-
disclose
it's,
right now?
Not right now. We'll just launch it. Yeah. Just working on it.
Right. Okay. Hopefully it's nearby our place, Banagatta roadside.
Oh, we'll be here. Hopefully, probably in a month. We'll be here anyway. Yeah. We'll be everywhere.
Right. See the ambitions glowing in your eyes there. Good to see. What would you feel would be your biggest achievement? Where do you kind of want to say, okay, I have achieved what I started out to do? Do you think there's a threshold point that you have in mind?
That's a really big question for right now. I just started, and I would say no. There is no threshold. We have taught this. I don't know, sir. I don't think, because in different stage of life, it's too big. I don't think there is no threshold.
Right.
Hopefully,
Okay.
I just want to work towards it and not reach anywhere.
Right. Maybe on the next podcast, when we invite you guys in, when you're a big franchise having merchandise all over,
Yes,
at that
sir.
point I should be asking you this question. Right?
Yes, sir. It's much bigger than that. Hopefully, there's hope. Yeah.
Right. And what would you describe the most joyful moment of all of this? Right. What till now 1 month period? I know it's a small
Yeah.
time frame, but what do you think is the most delighted that you have ever felt, the most satisfied that you have felt?
People coming from far and just telling that, that it's happened quite a few times now.
Right.
And that we read about you and we're just here to try a sandwich. That sort of validation, it's good that people actually want to support anyone who is just starting out. It's really good to see. We see a old couple coming and giving their blessings that you're a brave man doing good job, just don't stop whatever happens, things like that. It happens a lot. It happened a lot in past months. Just people just they think yourself, like maybe we didn't do it. A lot of people say, I thought I should have done it in college, but I couldn't do it. So whatever you do, just don't stop. I know it'll be hard, it'll be really hard, but don't stop. There are a lot of people that tell us this. That I wish I had done that or done this. This was the idea. Couldn't go for it, but just go for it. It'll be really hard, but it's gonna be worth it. So just go for it.
Right. Then that's the support that you have, backing that you have, and now you can't disappoint them.
You can't.
Right.
So you can't.
Right. And is there something that you want to kind of tell out to the people out there, thinking of should I start or should I not start?
If yeah, I think if something it's really good, don't do anything for the sake of it. If you think it's a really good idea, just go for it. It's gonna be hard. Figure it out on your own. But if it works out at school, otherwise go to the next idea. Try that. There are no rules of the game. There are no foundation also. So it's different for everybody. You have to just like analyze yourself in like what works out for you. It's good because a lot of people our age are just obsessed with the fact that we should be doing something
Right.
rather than what we should be doing.
Right. Right.
So rather what you are doing is rather important. So just focus on it, just validate it, be practical about it, and just go for it.
Right. Right.
Don't get the illusions of idea of a lot of people are obsessed with entrepreneurship and then quotes and stuff like that. Just be practical with such things is what I will say.
Caution mingled with enthusiasm to go forward.
Totally. That sums it up.
Right. Fine, Ankur. It has been a pleasure having you on our. That was the first episode, and we are very glad to see how well you are doing, and we are very excited about where you will go. Right. Hoping for great many things. Right.
Thank you so much for having me, sir. It was great talking to you.
Right.
And I just want to tell everybody that whatever you do, just don't try to do humanly.
Pleasure.
Thank you.